Welcome to SolidCAM Professor on a series of Getting Started. I'm Sydney, your SolidCAM Professor, and in this session we'll be showing you the use of drill recognition and pocket recognition. If we take a look at this part that we have on our screen, what we've done here in our operations is as follows. We've first done face mill to clear off the top of the part. Then we've done a pocket recognition operation to recognize all of these surfaces over here, this pocket over here, this open pocket over here, and including these open pockets over here as well, and the circular hole and these slots. All that was recognized in our pocket recognition. In addition, we've also used drill recognition to drill out all of these holes over here in several operations. Let's first take a look at our pocket recognition operation. If we open up our operation and we take a look at our geometry, you'll see that when we did pocket recognition, it recognizes all of these surfaces as well as these through pockets here on the part itself. This was done by simply going into Define, clicking on the part, and automatically all of the faces and chains as shown over here are automatically recognized on the part. Next, we've chosen the tool, and the tool that we'll be using will be a 20mm tool. The levels, you'll note that there's only an upper level, there is no lower level because that is automatically recognized from the part itself. And in our technology area, we have our typical pocket operation. All of the technology that we have in our regular pocket operation exists over here. Contour, use profile for open strategies for open pockets, and including links wherever necessary. Let's take a quick look at our simulation, and you'll see that our tool goes down and works on every single one of those surfaces, whether it be an open or a closed pocket. On the circles itself, you'll see later on, as it finishes the circles, it'll go into those slots, finishing off every single one of those surfaces, those slots as well. We're all done within one operation. In our next operation, what I want to do is to create a spot drill for every single one of those holes that we see on our part itself. So we use drill recognition for that purpose, all done within one operation. If we take a look at the operation itself, you'll see that our geometry are all the holes that we see over here. This is done by simply going into Define and choosing the holes according to their filter. The tool that I will be using will be a 10mm spot drill with a 90-degree angle at the bottom. And our levels will go into our depth edit, and you'll see that for every group that we have here, the tool will go to the 0 level according to the diameter of that particular. This group over here will go to 7.5mm diameter for the depth type. And for every group, it's exactly what will be done. If we take a look at our simulation, you'll see that every hole has been drilled out exactly according to the diameter of that hole, leaving for the chamfer of that particular hole size. Now, in my next operation, I only want to drill out these holes as shown over here. So what I've done in my drill recognition is that I've taken my geometry, and of all the holes, I've only chosen this group over here. So it'll only work on that particular group. The tool that I will be using will be a 13.5mm drill, which is the diameter of that particular hole. The levels, if we go into my depth edit, we'll see that we'll have the full diameter going to the very bottom of that hole with an added depth of 1mm. We'll take a quick look at our simulation, and you'll see every single one of those holes was drilled out exactly the way it was supposed to be. Now, we've done the same as we've done in this previous operation for every single one of those holes. Each group with their drill being drilled out the exact same way without missing any holes. The end result is every single hole was drilled out in this part simply by using drill recognition. Thank you for joining us on SolidCAM Professor on our series of Getting Started. Take care and have a nice day.